There you guys are. Welcome back. And I know there's a lot of excitement on the channel. We've been getting a lot more hits and a lot more people subscribing. Hey, I want to thank you guys, but the excitement has just begun, because if you have subscribed here in the last week and you've been watching these videos, you realize we have uncovered a dirty, rotten secret. We have uncovered the new template for how these games and metaverses are going to make money. And they're almost out of a can. It's almost like a canned solution. They're all the same. And we're going to do another one just to nail this principle home. And then we're going to have a little chat about this. Let's go ahead and get into it. How about what is this? Shinji Inu. Oh, did I mention it was up 57%? Did I mention also this is another one of those that costs so little that I don't know how many zeros there are in front of the number there? It almost, why don't they just put on there free? Okay. And of course, I guarantee you they've got a circulating supply that's so big they can't even talk about it. You know what? I'm looking over here. I don't even see a circulating supply. But somehow this actually does exist. It's ranked number 3,462. Let's go over to their site, the ShinjiInuToken.com site, and let's see what we see. Oh my goodness, is it beautiful or is it beautiful? Here we got a little anime going on. They got a little Telegram, Twitter, sites up. I guess they're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap so people can see that it's almost free. They've got a white paper. Let's go ahead and scroll through and see what they're about. It says Elon's new tweet token is one of the main characters from the Neon Genesis Evangelion franchise. She is the operations director at Nerve, initially with the rank of captain. Folks, are you guys getting the idea here? People are making up junk. They're just making up anything. And they're putting it out here. And then they, as soon as they write, what, 2 paragraphs, they're talking about some buy Shinji Inu. Okay, they got a little chart here. I don't even know if that goes anywhere. What does it do? Okay, they got a chart here. I don't know what, they're basically showing you that it doesn't cost enough to even talk about, you know, what it is. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's get off of Floki there. I want to go back one, and I want to go back and see what we've got here. Are we going to have to jump? Oh my goodness. Let's go back and get on the site again. There we go. And when we look at this, okay, yeah, they already told us they're on CoinGecko and Twitter. They already told us all of this. They got a little white paper. They're going to discuss what they're into, but it looks like they're just a fun coin. Talking about with Shinji and Elon to the moon. Here's their team. Here's their liquidity locked, community driven, marketing promotion, great goals, and of course, contracting tokens. Okay, so they're going to give us a little bit of details, and there it is. There is the total supply, which we did not see on CoinMarketCap.com, and I don't know how many zeros this is. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. Okay, it would be 69 billion with a B, right? 69 billion? Is that billion? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a million. Okay, then we go 1, 2, 3. That's a billion. That's a billion. Oh my goodness. What is this? Trillion? I don't know what this is. It's too big. Too many coins. Okay. Then they got a place here for you to buy Shinji Inu. Okay. Here's something I like. They do have a roadmap. See what I'm talking about when I say it's right out of a can? This is what I'm talking about. You can now go to the majority of these meme coins, and it's almost like they all have the same thing. They got some cute, cool graphics up top. They come down here and they get listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. They try to get a little social media going over here. They've got the little white paper. They won't go live until they got that. They've got a little thing over here talking about some little fluffy story. They start talking about liquidity, a little bit of technical jargon, and then they're off to the races. They put up a token supply that's too big. Then they turn around and they got a roadmap. And guess what? Now I can't complain because they have all the pieces. Okay, now they're talking about they got the community of the century and then how to buy the tokens. Now, I really like this, folks. Look at this. Shinji Inu. Install MetaMask, buy your Ether, visit Uniswap, then swap your tokens. Come on. It doesn't get any easier than that. They're explaining to you exactly how you can get these coins. And oh, by the way, did I tell you they were up quite a bit today? And then they got a little form. Now, this is where I've got to go off script. Okay, I'm going to talk about, after seeing so many of these, if you guys are interested, I don't know how hard it's going to be, but if you guys are interested, after seeing so many of these crazy coins like this, I would like to see your comments in the comment section if you would like to see a coin made right from this channel, and let's just see how far it goes. If there's any interest in seeing that go down, leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, I want to see y'all make a coin. I want to see another meme coin because we have seen too many of them. I want to see how hard it is to build. If you guys are interested in that, drop a comment in the comment section. In the meantime, I have to say, they've got all the pieces. I just have to tell you, they're up 57%, and I see no reason why they can't go up 5-10 fold from here, because they have all the pieces. They are utilizing the blockchain to actually do something, and hey, who knows? There's no telling where they go from here. Hey, let's take one last look at one thing. Let's look at their white paper and see if it's about anything. Okay, they got a little story here. They talk about their team. They talk about the contracts. I wonder if they got anything talking about their NFT. Here's the little, okay, here we go. There's initial marketing, market cap listing, the expansion, YouTube videos. They're going to be cute about it. Okay, first CEX launch first. There we go. They're gonna get in the NFT game. Okay, then they're gonna play on Instagram and YouTube, and then they're gonna try to look for partnerships. So it looks to me like they haven't got to the point where they want to talk about games, but they definitely want to get into the NFT game. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.